everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all are staying healthy. You all are staying safe in your home with your family. So here in Denmark, it's a very nice and beautiful morning. I welcome you all again in my channel. Those who are visiting me for the first time, my name is Purva and I make lifestyle related healthy vlogs and videos for you all. So from the video title, you already know that today's video is going to be all about high protein, very healthy 2 breakfast recipes that will help you to lose your weight. My friends, if you are on diet, if you want to lose your weight fast, then definitely you have to include a lot of healthy protein in your diet, especially in the breakfast time. If you can add a lot of healthy protein in your diet, it will definitely help you to lose your weight. So now let's start. Now let's start with my first recipe that will be super yummy, high protein, high fiber rajma soybean omelette. My friends, in this lockdown period, you can easily make them in your home with very minimum ingredients. Here you can see there is boiled rajma and boiled soybean. I have cut this soybean in small pieces. So both are boiled, and then there is tomatoes, onion, and then 2 beaten eggs. My friends, eating beans including rajma may help reduce your heart disease, your stress level, and also most importantly, it will help you to lose your weight. Due to the high fiber and high protein content, it helps actually weight loss. So adding more protein like rajma and soybean in your diet definitely helps you to lose your weight. And yes, here I am showing you all my face. So now let's start this super yummy rajma soybean omelette. First of all, in this non-stick pan, I have added 1 tablespoon of healthy oil, that is olive oil. And now here is whole cumin seeds and 5 or 6 whole black pepper. My friends, I want to give it an Indian tadka, so that's why I'm using these 2 spices. And after adding cumin seeds and whole black pepper, now I have added chopped onion into it. And now I'm going to reduce the flame. Also, I have added just a little amount of salt into it. And I'm going to give it a very good mix. I'll saute my onion for 1 to 2 minutes in low flame. And now here I'll add 2 types of vegetable, that will be chopped tomatoes and also chopped carrots. My friends, veggie choice is up to yours. Whatever veggies are available, you can use them. You already know that I always love to add lots of veggies in my diet. So in the morning time, in the breakfast, also I just love to add some veggies. So yes, if you have beans, if you want to add some cabbage, definitely you can use them. And now here you can see I have added boiled rajma and boiled soybean into it. Now see how delicious it's looking. Here I'm going to add some coriander powder, that is roasted coriander powder or dhania powder, little bit of haldi powder, and also some dhania patta or coriander leaves for some extra flavor. Now I'm going to give it a good mix. And now here I'm going to squeeze some lemon. So adding lemon in your diet will always help you to increase the iron level in your body. So try to add them in your diet. At the end here, I'm going to add some kasuri methi. My friends, you can eat this vegetable just like that, or you can eat it with some chapati. It will also taste super yummy, super good, and a good breakfast option. And now there I have taken out my stuffing, that is rajma soybean mixture. And now here in the pan I have added more oil and I'm beating my eggs. And now carefully I'm placing my beaten egg on this non-stick pan. Now I'm going to make a very nice stuffed omelette. So it will be high protein, high fiber, healthy omelette for weight loss. Black pepper powder also, my friends, promotes weight loss. So here I'm adding it. So yes, my eggs are getting cooked. Here I'm going to reduce the flame. And now I'll add my stuffing into it. And now here I'm going to place the stuffing. My friends, if you want, you can add some cheese into it. You can add some cottage cheese, that is paneer, into it. Or you can add some shredded chicken. You can add boiled fish. So any form of protein you can add in this omelette. And now on top here I'm going to add some coriander leaves, dhania patta, because I absolutely love this Indian herb. And now here I'm going to finish the omelette. And yes, this is how the yummy breakfast platter looks like. Rajma, soybean stuffed omelette, high protein, high fiber omelette for your weight loss and for your good health. If you want to maintain a good weight, then also you can enjoy them. And along with this omelette, I'm going to enjoy some walnuts and raisins, which is my absolute favorite. So here is the omelette. And my friends, one thing I always tell you, that you should do your morning exercise after having your early morning drink and before having your breakfast. So after having your early morning drink, you can do your 20 to 25 minutes of morning exercise, and then you can enjoy your super healthy, super delicious breakfast. So before having your breakfast, please do your morning exercise, and then you can enjoy this healthy breakfast. And now here comes my second recipe that will be super healthy, completely vegetarian besan ki chila, and it's going to be a high protein and high fiber breakfast again. So here in this bowl I have added 2 tablespoons of besan, that is gram flour, and also I have added some warm water into it, and some vegetables like chopped tomatoes and chopped onion, little bit of coriander leaves, because I already told you I love to add coriander in my diet. I love dhania patta and its flavor. And also I have added a little bit of turmeric, little bit of red chili powder, and also roasted cumin powder, little bit of salt. So whatever masalas you love, you can add in this besan ki chila, and just a little amount of oil and little bit of black pepper powder. And now I'm going to give it a very good mix. So here you can see I'm making the batter. The consistency should be like this, not too much runny or not too thick. It will be just like this. So yes, here my chila batter is ready. Now I'll make the chilas. And now here at the end, I'm going to add a little bit of more turmeric powder. Turmeric promotes weight loss, and my friends, turmeric is a very popular, well-known Indian spice that is anti-inflammatory spice. It will help you to lose your weight, and it will help you to reduce any infection in your body. So it's a very, very healthy spice. And also I have added a little bit of more black pepper powder, and now I'll make my chilas. And now here in the non-stick pan, I have added just a little amount of olive oil. You can use coconut oil too, you can use mustard oil, you can even use ghee to make this chila. And now carefully I'm making my chilas. This is small to medium size chila, so I'll have 2 chilas. And now here I'm going to flip it, because this side is ready. And I'll make 2 chilas for my breakfast. I'll suggest you all to have 2 small to medium size chila in your breakfast. In this chila, my friends, you can add little bit of capsicum too. Today in my kitchen these veggies are available, so I'm using them, but you can use finely chopped capsicum. It will taste just superb and awesome. And yes, my one chila is ready. Now in the same way, I'm going to add one more chila, and then my breakfast will be ready. And here is the breakfast platter, and it's looking super healthy, super tempting, and super delicious. My friends, I'm going to enjoy these 2 pieces of besan ki chila with this bowl of yogurt. And also I have added a little bit of carom seeds or ajwain in my yogurt, and it's looking super healthy, super delicious, and ajwain will help you to digest your food properly. And on side, I'm going to enjoy a few raisins because I absolutely love it. So thank you so much for watching today's video, my friends. I hope you have enjoyed my 2 high protein breakfast recipes. More healthy recipes, more diet plans, more lifestyle related vlogs are coming in my channel. Stay tuned, stay positive, stay happy. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. Tata, bye bye, love you.